Here's how to fix critical process died blue screen error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So first we need to go to Settings, Windows Update and Security, and then Recovery. The first option is to reset your PC if you have nothing to lose. The second option is accessing the Advanced Startup menu. You can access it from here or using the Boot menu by using a image of Windows 10 to boot from a hard drive or a flash drive. Then this menu will pop up. You'll need to click on Troubleshoot and then Advanced Options and then Command Prompt. And this should open a command prompt. Let's wait for it. Now this command prompt should appear. I'm just testing this in a virtual machine so it don't affect my system. So first you need to type this command, boot rec /fix mbr, and then boot rec /fix boot. You should continue even if you have access denied in here, it doesn't matter. Boot sect /nt60 nt60 space sys, and then boot rec space /fix boot, then boot rec again space /rebuild, and then type sfc space /scan now, and this will scan your system to fix any corrupted files. Should take a while. Now once it's completed, we'll need to run this command as well, chkdsq, which is for check disk, and then space the drive where Windows is installed. Usually it's in C drive, and then we're going to press enter, and this will take a while to check the disk again. So I'm gonna pause it real quick. Now once it's completed, you will need to reboot your system. Keep in mind that we are running these commands from the advanced options menu. If you can't open the windows, you can run them from there. If you can open Windows, you should run them from Windows when you're logged in. If none of these options work, what you can do is replace the hard drive. You can remove the old hard drive and put a new one there, preferably an empty hard drive, and then reinstall Windows on it. And then you can put the old hard drive as an additional hard drive and then access all your files there. You can copy them and move them to the new one. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.